We are here, guys, at the Monterrasas de Cebu. This is the view of the newly constructed building. Let's get inside. This is the rooms. Wow, nice. Hi.
Sa Kalamuda. Ato na dito sa mo. Dito na. Dito okay. Mga after sa PTS government of the day. Sorry, sir.